What's the meaning of barrel organ? Barrel organ. Barrel organ.
Barrel organ. Barrel organ. A barrel organ, also known as a hurdy-gurdy or street organ, is a mechanical musical instrument that produces music by turning a hand-cranked barrel containing metal pins or wooden pegs that pluck the strings of a keyboard. The pins are arranged to play different tunes as the barrel rotates, allowing for a wide range of music to be played. Barrel organs were popular in Europe from the 18th to the early 20th century, and were often played by street musicians for entertainment. Today, they are less common but can still be found in museums, historical reenactments, and on occasion, in public performances.